happening, people? This is Prajit here, back with another vlog. Welcome to my channel, Mining Miles. Today again we are going to Malshej Ghats. If you guys saw my last few vlogs, one of the vlogs was for Malshej Ghats, so we're going there again. I left in the morning at around 6:15. Met my few guys at Viviana Mall. Met my friend Samrat at Murbad. So right now, after I met them, we just stopped for tea. And because I was getting late, I didn't start the vlog from my house. I just started. I thought, let's just cope up with the time and stuff, and then I'll start later. Anyway, so we here. That's my crew sitting over there. One guy is missing. He just stopped to refuel and stuff, and post that we just couldn't find him. We're just waiting for him, so we thought we'll just have a cup of tea and then make a move. So
What will do is,
that's Ritesh for you. Hi. And that's Ria.
I need to keep you inside.
ज्ञान दे रहा है, कोई ज्ञान दे रहा है.
अरे ज्ञान बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. और
ज्ञान
क्या सुनते हो? अरे
तू
छोड़ना.
ज्ञान मत दे, पूरा टाइम ज्ञान देते रहेगा सारा.
ज्ञान इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. हर वीडियो आते हैं.
जॉशुआ बाय द वे, इसका मत सुनो यार, ये हमेशा बकवास.
मैं ओवरटेक
बकवास तू रहने दे.
Take him seriously.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you cannot take Samrat seriously.
हाँ, exactly. And that's why I need to tell this in every vlog, by the way. और अपना उधर का बात बताओ क्या?
कौन सा?
वो रूम वाला? नहीं ना. चलो ठीक है. I'll see you guys soon. We'll leave from here another 5 minutes. We're just waiting for a friend. Once he comes, we'll just make a move. And then yes, I'll catch you guys on the road. See you. We just stopped on the way. Just saw some beautiful view from here, so we just stopped on the way. We thought, एक बार रुक के देख लेते हैं जगह वगैरह. After this we're going to MTDC. Mostly we're going there. Suddenly plan change होगा तो I don't know. But yeah, we're going there. That's all I like, chilling and stuff over here.
देख ना, सब पैकिंग
सर पे कुछ भी पहना रहेगा हमेशा.
जरूरी है सर.
इसके बाल देखो भाई.
बाल
we are at this place which is right behind MTDC hotel, and you guys should have a look. Yeah, last time I came over here, if you guys saw the vlog, it was all foggy and stuff. But yeah, today it's not that foggy, but the weather is not that great, honestly. I mean, it's just about okay, and it's pretty hot. I'm like pretty much sweating right now. Also, the time is almost 12 noon right now, so it is ideally not a breakfast ride. But anyway, look at these guys. What's up?
Yo.
What's happening, bro? This guy is planning for a trip and stuff, another trip. So हम लोग बात ही कर रहे थे कहाँ जाना चाहिए. तो I was like, let's go to Mahabaleshwar. It's like a great place to go and stuff.
Yeah, we'll
So,
go Mahabaleshwar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
है ना?
I'll
It's a very nice ride actually.
फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड को करना है, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड को करेंगे.
वो ग्रास
First
देख रहे
and
हो?
second क्यों?
थोड़ी अलग लग रही है.
First and second
तो प्लान तेरा वही टाइम पे क्या? ठीक है, चलेगा. So just have a look, guys. I'm just gonna make you guys see the view. It's that's MTDC resort for you, which I mean this the view what you can see is right behind MTDC. And I'm gonna end this vlog here. Dam ka jo plan tha wo cancel ho gaya because we already late. We're heading back home right now. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys soon in my next vlog. And yeah, keep smiling as usual. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.